Here is a list of the most common built-in Windows 11 app icons. These are the apps that come pre-installed or are commonly included with Windows 11. Microsoft Store, a marketplace where you can safely download and update software applications. Calculator. It handles basic arithmetic, advanced scientific functions, graphic and unit conversions.
Photos. It allows you to quickly view, organize, edit and share all the pictures and videos stored on your computer.
Paint. It is the built-in Windows graphics editors to draw, color or edit digital images and screenshots. Paint 3D. It serves as a creative hub for making 3D objects and converting 2D drawings into 3D models. 3D Viewer. It is a lightweight utility used to open, inspect and interact with 3D models. Snipping Tool. It is a built-in PC utility that captures, annotates and saves screenshots or screen recordings. Notepad. It is a lightweight default text editor used to create, read and modify plain text files. Media Player. It is used to play, organize and manage digital audio, video and image files. Camera or webcam. It is used to capture video and transmit it in real time over the internet. Clock. Apart from displaying the time and date, it is also used as a timer, alarm, stopwatch and world clock. Mail. Apart from managing messages, it acts as a visual badge to alert us of unread incoming messages. Outlook. It is used to send/receive emails, schedule meetings, manage to-do lists and store contacts. Sticky Notes. It is a quick post-it style desktop application used for jotting down temporary informations. OneNote. It is used for capturing and organizing everything from quick ideas and meeting minutes to extensive research. Movies and TV. It is used to play local video files, watch personal home videos and view legacy media from Microsoft. Clipchamp. It is used to combine, edit and enhance video, audio and image files.
Voice Recorder. It is a tool for recording voice memos, meetings, lectures, interviews, as well as capturing podcasts. Whiteboard. It is a digital canvas used for brainstorming, project planning and visual collaboration. Windows Backup. It is used to protect our personal data, system preferences and apps lists by syncing them to the cloud. Xbox. It is used to access your Xbox profile, play console games via cloud streaming. Terminal. It is used to navigate files, automating repetitive tasks, running code and troubleshooting system issues. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.